Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. I want to show you again, but I want to show you where you could perhaps mess up. So let's put the yarn to the back again. Okay, so if I put it underneath this stitch here, and I think that's putting that one below, you will start dropping stitches and your work will kind of fall apart. So you want to make sure that you're pulling this down like this. If you really kind of separate it out, you can see that there's a stitch right underneath here. Okay, and you just put your needle in. You'll kind of find like no resistance there, and just put it straight in, pull through, get your loop, and let these fall off. Okay, now there is a little trick if you have to go back and you want to fix something and you're just not really sure. I want to show you right now how to frog it or go backwards, knit backwards. Okay, so if I go backwards, let's say I have a purl strip. Let's just show you purl real quick. I'm going to purl this stitch and then I'll show you how to go backwards. Okay. So let's say I purled that stitch and I have to go and fix something back here. I want to take my needle and go into this stitch here, okay, and let the one I just made drop off, okay, and let this yarn pop out, right? So let's say I want to fix this one and I know that I had two pieces of yarn back here, these two, okay. I'm going to put my needle in, scoop that in that large hole there, and then let this one fall off. Okay, now you see that I have two pieces of yarn here. I have one that's kind of short, you'll feel it on yours, and then one that's kind of long. If I put the one that's long in the back here, I can take my needle here. Okay, I'm going to take my dominant hand needle and insert it in. Okay, go between these two stitches, and then I'm going to push down on this second stitch and make it go through that loop there. Okay, when I do that, my stitch is going to come off onto this dominant hand, this stitch here, and I want to pick it back up and get it placed in the right spot on my other needle. I can either put my other needle into that stitch or I can pick it up with my finger, and now it's situated correctly on my needle and I can make that stitch again. So if you accidentally got two big thick pieces of yarn here and you're just not sure how that happened, you can kind of go backwards and fix that. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.